Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So first, before going into today's topic, let us do some exercises. Find the number which is 1 lakh less than 8,88,888. If you remember children, we have done same problems in addition, right? Where we have done a number which is more than something. So here they are asking us to find a number which is 1 lakh less than 8,88,888. Now how do we do that? Less than means what? We need to subtract. Yes. Here 8 lakhs is the bigger number. So we'll write it first. Subtract 1 lakh from it. What will our answer be? Here all are zeros, right? So 8 minus 0 all become 8 only. 8 minus 0 8, 8 minus 0 8, 8 minus 0 8. Now lastly 8 minus 1 becomes 7. So the answer is 7,88,888. It is 1 lakh less than 88,800 888,888. Clear children? Now moving on to question number 2. So here the numbers are wrong. Don't mind. Yes. So 2,11,000 less than 7,73,214. Again, write the bigger number first. Then subtract the smaller number, which is what? Which is our subtrahend. Now 4 minus 0 4, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 1 2, 7 minus 1 6 and 7 minus 2 5. Yes children, 5,62,214 is our answer here. Now 9,99,999 less than 9,900,999. See, both the numbers are same. Suppose if you take two numbers, say 5 minus 5, what will the answer be? Come on children, 5 minus 5 becomes what? 0. Yes, in the same way. 15 minus 15 becomes what? Again 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. So when we are subtracting the same number, yes, when the both minuend and subtrahend are the same number, then the difference is 0. In the same way, we are subtracting 9,99,999 from itself. Yes, we are subtracting a number from itself. Then what is the answer? 0. Yes, the answer is 0. Now coming to the last question, number D. 1,50,000 less than 2,20,000. Now again, you remember oral addition, right? In the same mental addition, in the same way mental subtraction also can be done here. Now here we are having 4 zeros, right? Let me write here 2,20,000, 1,50,000. Yes, when we subtract, we are having 4 zeros same. So I'll write 4 zeros in the answer directly. Now what are we left with? We are left with only 22 minus 15. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible. So what will it become? We'll borrow 1 from 2 and 2 becomes 12. As we have borrowed 1 from 2, yes, 2 becomes 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Yes children? Now 12 minus 5 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much is the answer here? 7. And after 7, these 4 zeros. Yes, so the answer becomes 70,000. 70,000 is 1,50,000 less than 2,20,000. Clear? Now moving on. Find the missing number. Yes, we have learnt about this finding the missing number in the previous video, right? If you have not watched it, please watch it. Okay? Now in this, we are having a larger number minus dash gives us the difference. You remember, right children? When larger number and the difference are given, what do? We subtract them both. Yes, we always subtract from the larger number. So we subtract the difference from the larger number. 1,66,528 minus 1,55,528. Now 2 minus 2 0, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 5 1, 1 minus 1 0. So what answer did we get? We got 11,000. Yes. 11,000 is our answer. 1,66,528 minus 11,000 is equals to 1,55,528. Now moving on to question number 2. 1,10,000 minus dash is equals to 9,999. Again, this is our larger number and this is our difference. This is the minuend and this is our difference. What do we do with the larger number? We subtract 1,10,000 minus 1,10,000 minus 9,999. See, how do you know how to borrow in terms in cases of 0, right? Yes, so this 0 becomes 1, this becomes 9 and this becomes 9 and finally it becomes 0 here. Now 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0. Now 0 here as it is and 1. So 9,999. What is the answer here? 1,01,000. 1,01,000. 1,10,000 minus 1,01,000 is equals to 9,999. Clear, children? Yes. Now moving on to the question number 3. 1,10,000 minus 9,999. Just now we have done, right? It is the same thing. 1,10,000 minus 9,999. Yes, this becomes 10 and all the zeros become 9 and this becomes 0. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 0, 0, 0 and 1. The same answer here, 1,01,000. 1,01,000 is our answer. Yes. Now coming to the last question. Dash minus 2,25,500 is equals to 500. See. Larger minus smaller is equals to difference. So here what are they giving? Dash minus 2,25,500 is equals to 500. We are having the smaller number and the difference. What do? We add. Very good. We add 2,25,500 plus 500. It is very important to write the numbers in their correct place values. Now 0 plus 0, 0. Again 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carried. 5 plus 1, 6. 2, 2 as it is. What is the answer? 2,26,000. 2,26,000 minus 2,25,500 is equals to 500. Clear, children? We found out the missing number. How did we find out? When larger number and difference are given, we subtract them to find the smaller number, and when smaller number and difference are given, we add them to find out the larger number. Clear? Moving on, let us learn about today's topic, properties of subtraction. We've learnt about properties of addition, right? Yes, in the same way, let us learn about properties of subtraction. Property number 1, order of numbers. The order of the numbers to be subtracted and the number from which it is to be subtracted is important. If you remember from the addition lesson, children, the order of the numbers, what did we learn? See, 5 plus 2 becomes what? 7. Even though if you change the order, that is, write 2 first and 5 second, 2 plus 5 will also give us the same answer, that is 7. Yes, but in case of subtraction, 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Yes. What happens if I change the order? 2 minus 5. Is this possible, children? 2 is the smaller number and 5 is the larger number. We cannot subtract the larger number from the smaller number. So what are they saying? The order of the numbers to be subtracted and the number from which it is to be subtracted is important. Yes, the number from which it is to be subtracted. We always subtract a number from the larger number. Yes, children, this is the order, right? Larger minus smaller. We cannot change the order here. Here they are given two examples. See, 64 minus 10 is 54. Okay, larger minus smaller. But what happens if I change the order? 10 minus 64 is equal to what? We cannot answer because here 10 is the smaller number and 64 is the larger number. It is not possible to subtract these two. So the order of the numbers is important in subtraction. Similarly, 350 minus 100, yes, larger minus smaller, is equal to 250. That is the difference. But what if I change the order? 100 minus 350 is equal to what? We don't know and we cannot say here. Why? Because here we are not following the order. Here it is smaller minus larger number, which is not possible to find out. Clear? Now question number 2, property number 2, subtracting 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. Yes, if you remember from addition, if we add 0 to any number, what will be the answer? The answer will be the number itself. Yes, in the same way, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Yes, children, that is 5 minus 5 is equal to 5 only. 100 minus 0 is equal to 100 only. 9,27,000 is minus 0 is also equal to 9,27,000 only. Yes, so if we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. Let us look at some examples here. 6 minus 0 is equals to 6. Yes, 92 minus 0 is equals to again 92. 876 minus 0 is equals to 876 only. And in the same way, 4524 minus 0 is equals to 4524 only. The same number. Yes. Moving on to the property number 3, subtracting 1. If we subtract 1 from any number, we get the predecessor of the number, that is the number just before it. Now if you remember from the addition, we have 5, and what happens if we add 1? 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Now what is this 6? When we are writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 comes just after the given number 5. So it becomes the successor. Yes, it becomes the successor. In the same way, when we subtract 1 from the given number, 5 minus 1 is equal to what? 4. Yes, now if you look at the order of the numbers, 4 comes when? 4 comes just before the given number 5, and it is also called as what? It is called as the predecessor of the number. Yes. So what happens when we subtract 1? If we subtract 1 from any number, we get the predecessor of the number, that is the number just before it. See, look at the examples here. 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. Yes, when we are writing the numbers, we say 23, 24 and 25. 24 comes just before 25. And 24 is what? The predecessor. Yes, what is the predecessor? Predecessor is the number that comes just before a given number, right? We find it out by subtracting 1. Now 31 minus 1 is equals to 30. Yes, again we write 30, 31. So 30 comes before 31. The same way 612 minus 1 is equals to 611, and 9867 minus 1 is equals to 9866. So these numbers, that is the difference here we got, are the predecessors. Yes. Now property number 4, subtracting a number from itself. If a number is subtracted from itself, the answer we get is 0. Yes, just now we have discussed, right, in the previous slide, that when we subtract a number from itself, suppose I gave you 5 chocolates and then I took away all of the 5 chocolates. Yes, I gave you 5 and then I took away all of the 5 chocolates. Now how many will you be remaining with? You will be remaining with 0 chocolates. You have nothing now, yes? So, here what are they saying? When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. Yes, just like 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is our property number 4. Examples: 1981 minus 1981 is equal to 0. Yes, the same number subtracted from itself. Now 2,29,208 minus 29,208. Again, the number is subtracted from itself. The answer is 0. 3,542 minus 3,542. Yes, children, the number subtracted from itself. The answer is 0. Yes, children, now moving on to the property number 5. Subtracting 10, 100, etc. While subtracting 10, 100, 1000, etc. from a number, notice the change that comes about in the digits in the appropriate places only. In what places? In appropriate places only. Now what he wants to say is, from a given number I am subtracting 100. I am subtracting 100. So if you look at the number here and the difference here, the only change that has come is in the hundreds place only. We are subtracting 100. So the change is also in the hundreds place only. Yes, it is 100. So 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3 hundreds here. Clear? And when we move on to the second example where 1000 is subtracted from 83,452. See, the change is in the thousands place only. Yes, so 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Remember the addition property, children, adding 10, 100 and 1000 to a number. Suppose 8354 plus 10. What will the answer be? What did we learn when we add 10 to a number? Only the digit in tens place changes. Yes, the remaining digits are written as it is 834. And what happens to the digit in tens place? We add 1 to it. Yes, here we are having 1 in tens place. So 5 plus 1 becomes 10. In the same way, if we add 100 to a number, only the number in hundreds place changes. I'll write the remaining numbers as it is, and here we are having 3 in hundreds place, and in the second addend I am having 1 in the hundreds place. So there is an addition symbol here. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Yes, children, this 8354 plus 100 becomes 8454. In the same way, suppose what happens when there is a subtraction symbol. Now 5 minus 1. Yes, 5 minus 1 here. 5 minus 1 is what? 5 minus 1 is 4. Yes, see, here we are having 10. Yes, here we are having 10. Now we are not having any digits in hundreds and thousands place. So these digits will be written as it is. And here we are having 0. 4 minus 0 is what? 4 only. So again, this number is also written as it is. Now the only number that changes is the digit in the tens place. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Clear, children? In the same way, 8354 minus 100. See, when we are reading this number aloud, how do we read it? 354. Now we are removing 100 from it. We are having 3 hundreds here. So what will this become? 3 minus 1 becomes 200. So what will our new number be? 8,254. See, 8,254. Clear, children? Only the digit in hundreds place changes. 3 minus 1, 2. What happens when we subtract 200? Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So it becomes 8,154. The remaining digits are as it is. Now the same thing with the thousands as well. What is this again? How will we read this? 8,000. Yes, we'll read it as 8,354. Now when I add 1,000 to it, this 8 becomes what? The next 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So this becomes 9,300 and yes, 354. Clear children, only the digit in the thousands place is changing. Now here we are having zeros here. 0 plus anything is equals to the number itself. So the numbers, the remaining digits as it is, 1 in thousands place. Here we are having 8 in thousands place. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9. In the same way, when we subtract 1 from this, 8 minus 1 becomes 7. So 8,000 becomes 7,000. Clear children? When we are subtracting 10, 100,000 etc., where we are having zeros like this from a number, we need to notice that the change comes about in the digits in the appropriate places only. The change comes in the digits where we are having 1. Here we are having 1 in the tens place. So the change comes in tens place only. And here we are having 1 in the hundreds place. So the change comes in the hundreds place only. See, here we had 4. Now we have 3. Why? Because 4 minus 1 is 3. Now here in thousand we are having 1 in thousands place. So the change comes in thousands place. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. We notice that when we subtract 10, 100 etc. from a number, the digit in tens, hundreds, thousands places decreases by 1. The other digits remain the same. What happens to the other digits, children? They remain the same. Clear? Let us subtract few numbers and see how this works. Now fill in the blanks. 65,321 minus dash is equals to 65,321. See, we have subtracted something, but the difference is the same as the minuend. Yes, there is no change in the number. Now what was subtracted? 0. Yes, why? Because when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Yes, the result will be the number itself. Now coming to question number B. 76,327 minus dash is equals to 76,324. If we observe, the only change is in the ones place. Here we are having 7 minus dash is equals to 4. Yes, 7 minus dash is equals to 4, children. 7 minus 3. Yes, 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So 76,327 minus 3 is equals to 76,324. How did we find out? Because the only difference that has come here is in the digit in ones place. Moving on to question number C. 48,235 minus 100 is equal to dash. Now again, just now we have done, right? The digit in this 100, 1 is at hundreds place, remaining digits are zeros. So the change comes only in the digit in hundreds place. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1. The remaining digits as it is 4, 8, 2 minus 1, 1 and 3, 5 as it is. Clear, children? 48,235 minus 100 is equals to 48,135. Now question number D. Again similar question here. 100 less than 4,83,245. Again here 1 is at hundreds place. So the change occurs only in the hundreds place. Let us write the remaining digits as it is. 4, 8, 3. Sorry, I'll write here. Hundreds and hundreds. 4, 8, 3. Now less than, right? They are asking less than means we need to subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4, 5 as it is. Clear? Only the change has occurred in the digit in hundreds place. Coming to question number E. 67,385 minus dash is equal to 0. Now we have learnt about a property, right, children? What was that? Subtracting a number from itself. If a number is subtracted from itself, the answer we get is 0. Yes, when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer will be 0. Now here The answer is 0. So what should be subtracted? The same number, 67,385. When the number is subtracted from itself, the answer becomes 0. Now moving on to question number F. 97,080 is equals to 97,180 minus dash. See, here I am having 1, but here in the answer I have 0. Yes, we am having 1 here and I am having 0. 1 minus dash is equal to 0. I was having 100 here, minus dash is equals to 0. Now children, again the answer we got here is 0. Now what number was subtracted from it? The same number. Yes, the 1 is when 1 is subtracted from 1, the answer will be 0. And can I write only 1 here? No, I cannot write only 1. If I write simply 1, what will happen? This 1 will be in the ones place. But in the question, 1 is in the hundreds place. The change has come in the hundreds place. So this 1 should be in the hundreds place. Now what about ones and tens place? We will fill it with zeros. Yes, we are having 97,180. When we subtract 100 from it, the answer will be 97,080. Clear children? Moving on to question number G. Now 2,32,849 is equals to dash minus 1. Now see, I am having a number minus 1 is equals to the difference. Yes, just we have found out the, now here 1 is what? 1 is the smaller number. Now here the larger number is missing. To find out the larger number, what do? We add the small number and the difference. Yes, we add the small number and the difference to get the larger number. Now see, the difference is 1 and the difference is 2,32,849. The smaller number is 1. Let us add those two. 2,32,849 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carried. 4 plus 1, 5. 8, 2, 3, 2. Yes children, 2,32,850. 2,32,850 is our answer here. How did we find out? We have the smaller number and the difference here. We needed to find out the larger number. Larger number is equals to what? Smaller number plus difference. And how to find out the smaller number? Smaller number is larger number minus difference. Yes, clear? Now look at here. Question number H. 1,24,563 minus dash is equals to 1,24,463. Now again you can solve this question in two ways. One is we are having the larger number and the difference. So we can subtract those two to find out the smaller number. Let us see. 124,563 minus 124,463. Now 0, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. Now again 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. What is the answer here children? 100. 1,24,563 minus 100 is equals to 1,24,463. Okay, this is one method of solving it. Coming to the other method, if we carefully observe the minuend and the difference, the change has taken place only in the hundreds place. Yes. So what does it mean? It means that we have subtracted 100 from it. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 4 is 1, and as it is in hundreds place, it is 100. Suppose it was 363. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2, but not simply 2. Here it is 500 minus 300. So the answer is 200. Clear children? Yes, these were the two ways of solving it. Now the last question I. 4,72,891 minus dash is equals to 4,72,881. Now again, if we observe, there are two methods of solving it. We have the larger number and difference. We can find out the smaller number by subtracting the difference from the larger number. Remember I said how to remember? We always subtract from the larger number. Yes. So when we have the larger number, we subtract the difference from it. 4,72,891 minus 4,72,881. What will the answer be? 1 minus 1 0, 9 minus 8 1, now again 8 0, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 7 0, 4 minus 4 0. The answer is what? The answer is 10. 4,72,891 minus 10 is equals to 4,72,881. Now again the another way of solving is, if we carefully observe the minuend and the difference, the change has taken place only in the tens place. Yes, 9 minus 8 is equals to 1, and as the change has taken place in tens place, so it is not simply 1 but it is 10. Clear? I hope you understood today's class. Yes children, I hope today's class was clear. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving